Hey everyone, Jawad Nagda from Finroython Management Consulting here with another quick tutorial on data analysis using Excel. And in this tutorial, we're not going to learn about any new fancy tools or calculations, graphs, visualization. Rather, we are going to talk about a quick shortcut way of performing powerful analysis in Excel. So let's take a look.
Okay, so here we are in this worksheet that contains multi-dimension data table. We have years and month in column, and we have business divisions. It's a dummy data, so we don't have to worry about the confidentiality. So we have business divisions in rows, and we have this revenue information. So when it comes to data analysis options, some things that come to the mind naturally are conditional formatting, adding calculations, adding charts and graphs, exploration, data exploration using pivot tables, and maybe there are some other options like sparklines. And to bring all of these in a single place, we use the shortcut out of that. We would just select this data set and press Control Q to launch this quick analysis tool option. Another way of bringing the same option is to select this range, and now you can see this little icon right here. You click on this icon, it's going to take you to the same option. Now the good thing about this quick analysis tool option is that it contains almost all the available analytics options, such as conditional formatting. You don't even have to apply a particular setting to make it effective. You can just hover over it and be able to see the actual outcome. So you can see data bars, color codes, icon sets, the rules relating to greater than a certain value, top 10% items, and so forth. So if I were to click on this greater than option, it will open up another dialog box for me to select what criteria actually I want to apply. So let's say in this case, I want to say 3 million. So we only have those cells being highlighted which are greater than 3 million. So very good option, but it's not limited to just formatting. You can add a chart, and what it will do is it will actually add another object as a chart in your workbook, and you can go into totals, which has the options to do some custom calculations for you. You can see it's all of that is being changed in the grand total side. So hover over anything, these calculations are being automatically added, and you might be thinking that why we only have calculations for columns and not for rows. And for that, you have to scroll a little bit on the right, and you see these options are also available for columns as well. Just make the selection again, and you can see that, right? So we have a separate list of options for rows and a separate list of options for columns if you want to add quick calculations without having to use pivot table or without having to use any formulas. Next, you also have this option of adding sparklines right here. And if you click on this, for instance, you can see Excel already knows what is the right place to add these sparklines, which kind of gives you a bit of idea about how the trend is coming along within a cell instead of adding it as a separate object. So pretty good and pretty handy tool, this quick analysis option, which allows you to perform different kind of data analysis without having to worry about accessing each option differently. You can just press Control Q, and all the available options that befit the particular kind of data that you have selected will be made available to you.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so you receive regular updates. If you'd like to hear about any specific topic from us, do let us know in the comments so we'll accommodate that. See you soon.